partnership between these two brands has established a competitive edge that effortlessly defines their success in the marketplace. Red Bull and GoPro have built a strong brand identity through their access to resources, innovations, famous sponsored athletes, and significant consumer interaction. The communication aspect of the brand to its consumers has been developed, maintained, and strengthened through the motivation of consumers' desire and readiness to become involved. This is done through opportunities being presented due to the high interest rates of consumers.
Okay, do you read me, Felix? Activate suit and chest pack cameras.
On October 14, 2012, Red Bull and GoPro pulled off a marketing stunt that has gone down in history. A stunt so spectacular and daring it broke 8 world records, taking 8 years to create and $30 million. Australian skydiver Felix Baumgartner burst the sound barrier while free-falling back to Earth after he jumped from the edge of space, 40 kilometers from the ground. Both organizations involved claimed the campaign was first and foremost a scientific mission rather than a ploy for recognition. Red Bull and GoPro were able to create a brand new type of marketing, so extreme that it surpasses the traditional views of how we communicate with consumers. The multi-million-dollar campaign allowed the brand to be more dynamic, step out of their traditional product lines, and become content producers that are on par with major publishers. Their intention for the project was not about selling, more about energy drinks or video cameras. They wanted to appeal to the human interests of the desire for adventure and the belief in the power of science. The purpose of this extreme marketing campaign was to focus on their philosophy of pushing boundaries and breaking records. The campaign challenged a cultural shift in how organizations think of marketing, challenging and fueling a passion for science and not just their bottom line.
I wish to see what I can see. Sometimes you have to get up really high. The smaller you are.
It is problematic to say there were major improvements that should be done to this ad because of the obvious success that has come from it. The campaign was used to demonstrate the quality of the newest video technology made by GoPro, which they successfully did. But they could have attempted to capture some different angles to get the full effect for the millions of viewers. For example, it would have been nice as a marketing tactic to see Red Bull logo shining off the sun when the parachute opens, but unfortunately they never incorporated that angle. Another recommendation to the campaign is patching more logos to Baumgartner's uniform to make it obvious it's Red Bull's campaign. Because of the strong relationship consumers have with Red Bull, it should be GoPro's mission to incorporate any and all angles they can, showing how versatile GoPro can be. In Red Bull's ads, it is recognized that they never market their own product, just outstanding footage of extreme footage. But without incorporating their energy drink in their campaigns, it may potentially lose some of its relationship with their consumers. Red Bull and GoPro have become one of the most talked about partnerships in the world because of their ability to provide content for individuals who typically would not otherwise consume their products, and by proving their worth in the extreme sports industry. 2 years after the Stratus jump, Red Bull and GoPro have turned their collaboration into a multi-year global partnership. GoPro's brand and product were able to access more than 1,800 Red Bull events in over 100 countries. This pushed the limits of both organizations and the athletes participating in the event. The co-production of video between Red Bull and GoPro allowed for a more influential platform to showcase talent in a new way. This partnership has not only enhanced the world of content production, but has also played a significant role in audience engagement. With almost identical visions and values between these companies, it was obvious. The ultimate goal to inspire people to live their lives to the fullest has become a reality, taking extreme sports to a whole new level and creating a brand new perspective for consumers. Viewers were now able to be inside the Formula One car or on the half pipe with their favorite athletes, seeing every step they took. Prior to the partnership between Red Bull and GoPro, Red Bull had made its various groundbreaking milestones in the world of extreme sport. These went unseen by a large number of consumer audiences due to a lack of exposure that came from the absence of innovation in the world of technology. In 2002, when the high-definition lightweight video camera GoPro was launched, it had a significant impact on Red Bull Extreme Sports brand. When Red Bull and GoPro decided to partner together, it allowed for each brand to become open to more market opportunities and capture a broader target audience. Extreme sports such as surfing, air racing, ice climbing, BMX, and others can now be filmed from a first-person perspective. Although it may have looked like a risky move for Red Bull to partner with a company that was facing massive financial struggles, it has shown to be incredibly beneficial for both parties. In consideration with the partnership, there is an existence of balance theory that is present between the brands. Consumers tend to have a higher involvement rate and better established attitude towards Red Bull rather than GoPro. Because Red Bull is a branded house, an instant association is made for consumers when thinking of the brand, resulting in Red Bull being viewed more favorably within the partnership. Partnering with GoPro has allowed for Red Bull to provide its consumers as well as sponsored athletes the opportunity to experience the sport through a first-person perspective. This partnership exhibits all key dimensions necessary in a successful dyadic sponsorship relationship: trust, mutual understanding, long-term perspectives, communication, and cooperation. Red Bull and GoPro did an outstanding job capturing the attention of the entire world. They managed to make a flawless campaign that wasn't even originated to be a campaign. It was both surpassed world records and pushed the boundaries of science, which was ultimately their main goal. Red Bull knocked it 24 miles high and set record scores, creating the perfect platform for marketing. The values that both brands embrace creates an unbreakable bilateral image transfer. When you think of one, you think of the other. The balance between the two allows consumers to view such spectacular events from a different perspective, such as the space jump.